Hey there, guys. Chet here. I've been testing CRM systems for a very long time, but recently I found a completely hidden screen inside the Pipedrive mobile app that does not exist on the desktop computer version. You literally cannot find this page on your laptop. It completely changes how you manage your day when you're when you're out of the office. And I'm going to show you exactly how to find it in just a minute. But first, you have to understand that you're probably missing out on massive sales because you're ignoring the tools right inside of your pocket. Before I reveal these 5 hidden mobile features, I have a massive gift just for you. If you check the description below the video, you will find a direct link to get an exclusive 30-day free trial of Pipedrive. The regular website only gives you 14 days to test these things out. My link doubles your time, giving you a full month to test these app features completely for free. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, the discount will be applied automatically when you sign up through my link. That means that you'll be using the same powerful pipe drive for less than what everyone else pays. I've also linked my totally free pipe drive masterclass to help you set up your account on your computer and your phone. Make sure to grab those links right now. Look, when you're a business owner or salesperson, you do not always sit behind a desk. You're out on the road, visiting clients, going to networking events, and shaking hands. You do not always have the time to pull out a heavy laptop to update your sales pipeline. The good news is that the mobile application lets you stay connected to all of your deals and contacts while you are moving around. However, most people only use it to check phone numbers. They don't realize it's actually a powerhouse. Let's start with the first feature, which is the long press shortcut. It's a very simple feature, but it saves you a massive amount of time. Imagine you're standing at a busy conference. You have a coffee in one hand and you just met a fantastic new prospect. You need to add their details into your system before you forget their name. Most people unlock their phone, open the application, wait for it to load, and then click through 5 different menus just to create a blank deal. That process takes way too long, and you end up looking down at your screen instead of talking to the person. But there's a hidden shortcut sitting right on your home screen. If you just press and hold your thumb firmly on the Pipedrive app icon, a secret menu instantly pops up. You can tap the button to quickly create a new deal or add a new person without even opening the full application. It takes 2 seconds. You capture the lead instantly, you put your phone back in your pocket, you keep the conversation going. Number two, this feature solves a very embarrassing problem that every salesperson hates. Have you ever received a phone call from a random phone number? You've absolutely no idea who's on the other end of the line. You should answer the phone, and you do, and you awkwardly ask them who they are. Then you realize it is a massive client who was just about to sign a contract, and you look completely unprofessional because you did not recognize them. This usually happens because your company does not allow you to sync your work database with your personal phone contacts. Pipedrive fixes this entirely with a built-in caller identification feature. You simply go into your main phone settings, scroll down to your phone application settings, and turn on the call blocking and identification option for Pipedrive. Now, your phone has permission to securely scan your database. When a prospect calls you, your phone will look through your saved deals and display their actual name on your screen. You can answer the phone and you can say, "Oh, hello, John," even if you never saved his number to your personal device. The third feature is where we start building real consistency. I tell every single one of my clients the exact same rule. If a conversation is not written down in your database, it may as well have never happened. The problem is that typing long paragraphs on a tiny digital keyboard is frustrating. You finish a great phone call in your car, and you tell yourself you will type these notes when you get back to the office, but by the time you've gotten back, you've no idea. You completely forgotten what you talked about. You forget their budget, you forget their timeline, you forget the name of their spouse. Now, Pipedrive solves this with an automatic call logging feature that you can turn on in the preferences menu. When you hang up the phone after talking to a client, the application instantly pops up on your screen, automatically asking you if you want to log the call. It gives you a clean text box where you can quickly type your notes, or you can just use your microphone to dictate a summary with your voice. You do not even need to start the call from inside of Pipedrive. You can call from your normal phone screen, and the application still knows to ask for your notes when you finish. Those first 3 features were the basics, but now we get into the really powerful tools. These next 2 features are completely unique to the mobile application. They'll actually help you generate more revenue and completely change how you plan your day. Number 4 is called the nearby map view. Imagine you're a traveling salesperson. You drive 45 minutes across town to visit a client. The meeting goes great, but it finishes an hour early. Now you're just sitting in your car in a random parking lot, wasting time and burning gas. You could check your emails, but that does not actually generate new business. I mean, it could, but usually it doesn't. Instead, you can open the application, click on the More Options menu, and tap on the word Nearby. A visual map will appear on your screen showing your exact current location. The application then looks at all of the addresses saved in your system and drops a little pin on every single client or prospect located in your immediate area. You can filter the map to show only organizations or only people or only open deals. You can tap on a pin to see who it is and then click to get instant driving directions to their front door. Instead of wasting an hour sitting in your car, you could drop in and say hello to an old client who works 2 streets away. You turn dead time into a surprise meeting, and those surprise meetings often lead to brand new referrals and massive deals. Finally, this brings us to number 5, and this is the most powerful feature. This is the secret screen I promised to show you at the very beginning of the video, and it's called the focus screen, and it is the ultimate game changer for your productivity. When you use the software on a laptop computer, you have to click around through multiple different tabs to see your tasks, your emails, your team updates. It can feel a little cluttered if you're in a rush, but when you open the mobile application, you land right on the focus screen. This view is exclusive to your phone. It gives you a perfectly clean summary of your entire day in one single glance. You instantly see any activities that you need to complete today, any unread emails from your clients, and any comments where your team members mentioned your name. It strips away all the noise and shows you exactly what you need to focus on right now. But the truly hidden magic of the focus screen is how you manage your tasks. Let's say you have a follow up phone call scheduled for today, but you're stuck in traffic and you know you will not have time to make that call. On a computer, you would have to open the task, click on the calendar, select a new date, and save it. On the focus screen, you just swipe your finger across the task. With one simple swipe, you can instantly postpone your activity to tomorrow or push it to next week. It takes half a second. You do not have to let tasks go overdue, and you do not have to feel guilty about falling behind. You just simply swipe the task away, keep your daily list perfectly clean, and focus on driving safely to your next destination. To be completely honest with you, I still spend 90% of my time using the desktop version because I work in an office. But having these specific tools in my pocket gives me total peace of mind when I do travel. I never lose a lead. I always know who's calling me, and I can always find my clients on the map. I highly encourage you to download the application and turn on the caller identification feature today. Do not forget to use the link in the description to grab your extended 30-day free trial so that you can test all of these mobile features for yourself. And make sure you take a look at the free course linked below so that you can master the entire system from top to bottom. If you want to see more hidden tricks like this, leave us a comment below and I will see you in that next video.